just completely. Ultimate Gamble. There we go. You exit Ultimate Gamble, come right through here, and go directly into Delirium. Really fun, good drink, pretty awesome actually, really fun. Changing this year, best bar out here, really fun. If you could pan your camera around that way, please. Notice the small child. Can we please not do that? What is different?
Do you want the continental breakfast? Nico, say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I caught him just for you.
Awesome.
You're welcome. Lots of
Appreciate it.
Having fun?
Yeah. Are you?
Forever and ever.
By the way, first time this is going to be open for the Howl-O-Scream event.
Very fun ride. If you haven't ridden it yet, you should do it.
Be prepared to get wet. Welcome to Space Day 3. I do think they added some stuff between last week and this week. It appears to be very fun. Good work. Because
Usually, people will just get closer now.
okay, this guy's talking about something about 2,000 years.
Do you guys want to see a brand new? Yeah, come over. Right over here. They're right here. Don't listen to him. He's such a silly guy. He's a silly goose. If you stay, he'll be your roommate.
He seems like fun.
He's very fun. He's having such a great time. Stay in your room. Stay. It's so much fun. Are you having fun? Yeah, you can come and stay with us forever.
Well, we're already checked in, so.
Good.
Hey, they pop out over there. That's nothing. Good job! You made it, everyone!
Been looking for you.
And looking for me.
Yeah, what's tiny?
Connie! Come here! Ozzy! Hey, I'm looking for you!
What'd you do?
Hello!
I like her.
I'm coming after you, Purr.
Yeah, go ahead. I tried to keep her last time and she ran. Oh.
Put her in the break.
I need to tell Wiggles to get out of it, but put her in it. You tried to give me him last time. I might take it this time.
Nobody wants me. It's all good.
Trying to get rid of some of these, not bring more in.
One last battle fee, we can keep it for you.
We're gonna have to bring Jared up here then.
Yeah.
That would be the line to Journey to Atlantis below. Just right over there. Tiny is having fun. Is that Flint? Is that your boy? Yeah. Who is that?
That would be Flint. Probably one of my favorite sliders out here. Hey! Wait, Flint. Hey. You see bracelets? Yeah. What's wrong with the jeans?
making
It is
smoke?
the same one. You got me a bracelet. You got me a bracelet. I'll take it. I
Now
love
don't
it.
give me a crap about smoking this week, okay?
Okay, but you gotta get a vape.
It's on.
What? Oh, that's a good thing.
I see you. I see you. I see you.
Good.
Hey, we have popcorn. Go
Oh my god, the other light went out. It's not television, she can't see you. You're fine, hon. You're fine.
I'm sorry, everyone was a bitter god. I promise. Please don't want to die.
That's punishment for the kids when they're cutting up all these in school.
Absolutely fabulous. I love your bracelets. They're so pretty. You do?
Yeah.
It's so pretty. And it's green like my shirt. Look. It looks fabulous. You guys look fabulous as well.
Thank you.
Sorry for the interruption. He likes to scream a lot.
Seems like it.
Do you know how many people are scared of us? We're so much
I
fun.
can't see why.
Yeah, no, seriously. Like, come on.
Exactly.
Exactly. You need to tell these people that we are so much fun. And that they should join the circus because it's so much fun here.
Oh, you want to join the circus?
Yes!
Yeah?
Yeah! You just have to sell your soul. That's it.
I don't have much one left.
That's okay. That is absolutely fine.
Someone else's soul?
New recruits! New recruits to the circus! That's my mind friend.
Hello.
They like making friends. They're quite nice.
Yeah.
Look, they gave me a pretty bracelet. I know, right? And look, it matches my shirt. It matches my shirt. Isn't that amazing? Captain, okay, you know Mr. Fabulous over there? He would absolutely approve. I know he would. Yes. Fabulous. I think you should wear it. I was like, all right. So we just took it off the tail. Yeah. I said it was right here. I know. Isn't that crazy? Like they're using it anyways, right? Yeah. We're all freaks here. Hi everyone. It's good to see you. Wow, I like a bracelet.
You got a pretty bracelet.
Yeah, they made it for me.
Oh,
Isn't
wow.
that lovely?
Did you
not
make a
moving.
bracelet for me too?
I made two.
Wow! Look at
Oh
this.
my gosh! What's it say?
They love us, Pumpkin. They love us.
They love us. They
It's
really
so
love
pretty.
us. They really love us.
It's okay. We love you guys too.
I won't kill you tonight.
Yeah, not tonight. It's okay. They're doing
Unless
our
if you
circus.
guys want one.
Yeah, good blood. Some blood.
Here we go, folks. Now is the time. This is the place. Card Eagles Curiosities Bar is proud to present to you me. That's right, folks. We're going to kick off a little bit of a sideshow here on the outside of the bar. If you want to mention right now, if you're at the bar, you are at perfect timing. Go ahead, grab your drinks and come right out here. We got tables for you. You can rest your drinks on, or you can just hang out, rest your elbows on, whatever you want to do. But if you are at the bar buying a drink, I remind you right now, don't forget to tip the clowns. Everybody else is in the general area. I'm not going to make you get up. It's totally voluntary, whatever you want to do. You want to sit over there and watch from that angle, you're perfectly fine. You can sit back there. But the best viewing area for the show is right up here, right in front. The better you can see, the better the show will be. Some little details and stuff you can't catch if you're too far out there. Plus, if you get your cameras and your camera phones out, I want you to get the best possible pictures. Step forward now. You'll have a perfect unobstructed view throughout the show. You won't be reaching over other people trying to get your picture, trying to get your video. You'll be able to see better than those people that come up later behind you. They're going to have to take a picture of the back of your head and the show.
All my favorites.
That is a wrap for our video. Hope you enjoyed. We are going to be releasing another video for specifically the houses, and we're going to be going to Busch Gardens next weekend. We'll keep you updated. We'll post a highlight reel of that. Until then, happy spooks!